Hello guys, so in the previous video of analog electronics, I already introduced you to the BJT. Now, okay, first I will tell you about the region and this is your ammeter, this is your base, this is your collector, this is NPN. We have two types of transistor, NPN and PNP. This is our ammeter based junction and this is our collector based junction. So this one is heavily doped, this one is lightly doped, and this one is doping is moderately doped. Ammeter, why it's highly doped? Because from ammeter electrons move to collector, and width of ammeter is medium. Base has small width and collector has large width because it collects electrons. Fine. So ammeter is heavily doped and moderate in size. Base is lightly doped and small in size. Collector is did I say it wrong? Okay, I will say it again. Ammeter is heavily doped and the width is medium. Base is lightly doped and size is also small. Collector doping is moderate and size is large. You can note it down somewhere. Make a table. Region, doping, size. In region, write base, collector, ammeter. In doping, base is what? Low. Collector is moderate. Ammeter is large. And size, base is small. Collector is large. Ammeter is moderate. Symbol of BJT. So this is the symbol of BJT. This is your ammeter terminal, this is your base terminal, and this is your collector terminal. If it's NPN, then the arrow will be from base to ammeter. You can remember this. If it's NPN, then it's not pointing in, it's pointing out. Ammeter, base, collector, PNP. Now, this BJT is a bipolar device and it is a current control device. Later we will study FET, which is a voltage control device. Now, junction, ammeter based junction, collector based junction, operation, and application. So if ammeter based junction is forward bias and collector based junction is reverse bias, then it is in active mode and it will act as amplifier. If it's reverse, if ammeter based junction is reverse bias and collector based junction is forward bias, then it is in inverse active mode. And it will act as an attenuator. Amplifier increases the strength of the signal and attenuator decreases the strength of the signal. If both are forward bias, ammeter based junction also and collector based junction also, then it is in saturation mode. and it will act as an on switch. Application is on switch. And if both are reverse bias, then it is in cutoff mode. And it will act as an off switch. Fine. If both are in reverse bias, then it will act as an off switch, cutoff mode. Both forward bias, saturation mode, on switch. Ammeter base junction forward bias, collector base junction reverse biased. It will be in active mode, act as an amplifier. If ammeter base junction is in reverse bias and collector base junction is in forward bias, it will be in inverse active mode and it will act as an attenuator. Thank you. Next we will study the current components in BJT. And if you like this video and you want more such video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.